Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add merge field on the to your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone. Select your document from this section and then tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find this mail merge option, meaning that here you can add the merge field where you can put in your email template, mail merge template, custom link, formula, and so on. So tap on merge. Click on OK, and here you should select your address. As you can see, if you tap on the address button, you will be able to see all of these merge fields, such as name. So you can fill it in by typing in your full name, prefix, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, nickname, maiden name. In the address field, you can select the type of address, such as home, work, school, or other, and here you can fill out these forms. If you go back, you can also add your phone, email, job title, department, company, URL, birthday, alternative calendar, birthday, date, related names, social media, and messaging. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.